Hey there, wanderers! Welcome to Wandering Chronicles, the place where we explore life's adventure together. I am thrilled to take you behind the scenes today, sharing the roller coaster journey of being a YouTuber since 2019. From the struggles to triumphs, let's dive into my story, turning dreams into a reality. But before that, I'd like to announce to everyone that this episode will also feature the unboxing of my very own YouTube play button. But before we do the unboxing, we will proceed with the video because there's a disclaimer. So going back, what could have been my inspiration for putting up my own channel? When I embarked on this YouTube journey, I faced daunting challenges. Starting up wasn't easy. Brainstorming content ideas, managing the technicalities, finding my unique voice in this vast YouTube universe. But these struggles fueled my motivation and the determination to evolve, learn from every obstacle that come my way. Developing content was another hurdle. It required relentless brainstorming, late-night editing sessions, and experimenting with different styles, find what resonated with my amazing audience. But every ounce of effort was worth it. Crafting content that I'm truly passionate about. I poured my heart and soul into growing this channel. It meant consistent uploads, engaging with the community, and refining my skills. The joy of witnessing Wandering Chronicles evolve and connect with viewers makes every ounce of effort worthwhile. And the final reason that I embarked on this YouTube journey was to spread positivity. Life is a series of challenges, but amidst them, there's an immense beauty. I wanted to share stories, experiences, and inspiration that uplift and encourage others, reminding us all that positivity prevails. And now, let's go to the unboxing of my very own YouTube play button. I'm really excited. Now, this is a disclaimer that I'm mentioning you about. I want to make a disclaimer that this isn't the official YouTube award. Yeah, you heard it right. It's actually a custom made that I ordered online. But let me tell you why this is significant to me. Number 1, celebrating a milestone. Reaching 10,000 subscribers is an incredible achievement, and I wanted to reward myself for this milestone. This custom YouTube play button serves as a reminder of hard work, dedication, and the amazing support that I'm getting from my YouTube audiences. It's a celebration of our journey together. Number 2, inspiration for the future. Beyond being a reward, this play button serves as a constant inspiration. It represents not just where we are, but where we are heading. My goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers, and having this custom-made YouTube play button reminds me daily of that aspiration. And lastly, positive impact. As content creators, rewarding ourselves for milestones achieved is essential. It's not just a physical item, it's a symbol of self-recognition, motivating me to keep pushing boundaries, creating engaging content, and striving for excellence. It's a reminder that hard work pays off. Thank you for joining me in unboxing this symbolic token of our journey together. Remember that it's not just about the material, but the meaning behind it. If you are also on the creative path, do not forget to reward yourself for your milestones that you achieve. It's all about staying inspired and motivated. Now, if you've resonated with my story or found inspiration, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like, and drop a comment sharing your own adventure. Let's keep spreading positivity. This is Wandering Chronicles, signing off until our next thrilling adventure. Bye!